Hi everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. This month will be a little slow for me, but I'm still here making you all videos. Today, I wanted to talk to you all about using the words can and can't in English, because we use them all the time for lots of different reasons. You might hear that the word can is called a modal verb. This just means that it's a helping verb. It works with another verb in a sentence to talk about things like permission, ability, requests, or possibilities. Can't is short for cannot. It's the negative form of can. We use can in questions that are requesting or asking permission for something, or are asking about ability. Here are some examples. Can you help me open this door? This is a request. Can I park my car here? This is a question about permission. Can you play tennis? This question is asking about ability. This is the form we use for asking questions with can. We start with can plus the subject plus a basic verb plus an object. For example, can she return my bike? We also use can or cannot in statements to talk about permission or ability. I can be there at 7. This means I'm able to be there at 7. I can't throw the ball that far. This means I'm not able to throw the ball there. You can park in the back of the building. This is saying that you have permission to park in the back of the building. She can't go to school on the weekend. She doesn't have permission to go to school on the weekend. To use can or cannot in a statement, we use this rule. Subject plus can or can't or cannot plus a basic verb plus the object. For example, the dog can't come inside the mall. This means he's not allowed to come inside the mall. Because can is a helping verb, it has to have another verb after it. We can never use can all by itself in a sentence. For example, we would never say, the dog can in the lake. This just doesn't make any sense. Instead, we would add a basic verb after can, like swim. The dog can swim in the lake. What do you think? What is this sentence talking about? Request, permission, or ability? Actually, this sentence could be about ability or it could be about permission. We're not sure if we're saying the dog is allowed to swim in the lake or that he's able to swim in the lake. As you can see, can have many different meanings. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. See you next time. Bye.